Our walking tour of Salay will begin here at the Yoke Saung Monastery. It is now a museum. It is located on the main road just as you enter town. Please come along. Across the road. As you come up the lane, you will come to this entrance. Just behind this yellow building here, there is an interesting feature that is quite unique to Salay. They are egg ladies. You'll have to take a look and see. Please know that this is a monastery, so as you enter at the steps, please remove your shoes. Next, on your right-hand side, this temple holds the largest lacquerware Buddha in all of Myanmar. On your right, look for the small path leading off to your right. This beautiful old building is from around 1900. This year in the rainy season, parts of it collapsed. It's such a shame. We're headed to the monastery right over here. As you come back down from the monastery, the lacquerware Buddha is over here. We're going to turn and go down this trail to visit an ancient library and another monastery. At the end of the lane is this beautiful old library. It is now abandoned, but just next door there is a beautiful old colonial house that is now part of a monastery. If you are respectful and polite, the monks there would be happy to show you around the beauty of the interior. As you come back up from the library toward the lacquerware Buddha, off on your right there is a trail that takes you between the stupas. Please head off this direction. At the end of the path, you're going to turn right. Your journey will take you past a beautiful example of a colonial British era house that has been beautifully restored and maintained. It is now part of a monastery. It is known as the Yellow House. As you approach this beautiful temple, you are going to stay to the right. You are going to make a quick right-hand turn and then a left-hand turn. Look for the Urdu sign. Head downhill. At the bottom of the hill, the road will dead end at the Boe Gyi House. This is an important building in Salay. Boe Gyi was a very successful trader and then started writing. He's a well-respected literary figure in Myanmar culture. You are welcome to visit if you would like. Enter through the gate right over here. From the Boe Gyi House, we're going to head down this way. Continue along up the dusty track. As you reach the end of the sandy path, there sits the old colonial post office. It is now known as the Stamp. It is a restaurant in the restored building. Our tour will continue along the path beside the restaurant. At the bottom of the hill, you are going to cross the main Strand Road in Salay. At the road, we're going to turn right. When you reach the corner, there are several beautiful old buildings here. The one directly behind me is known as the Columns. From the Columns, we are going to turn around and retrace our steps by walking back up the Strand Road. Continue up the Strand Road until you reach this corner. Then we are going to turn left and head up this way. When you see the pink building, turn right, and we're going to head to the market. Here at the corner, behind me is the covered market. You are welcome to explore. Along the road as we came in, there are many vendors, many photo opportunities. From here, once you reach the market, we are going to take a bike tour. At the corner of the market, we're going to meet the Strand Street again. We are going to turn right and head back up to Salay House. Our final destination today is the Salay House. Salay House is a restored colonial trader's warehouse from 1906. It now houses a gift shop, a collection of British heritage items, as well as a beautiful riverside garden that is a restaurant. Come, let's have a look. Thank you for joining me today. Please come visit Salay. It's a fascinating town with an amazing past.